I know Miss Universe is the biggest stage and platform, but is it the only platform of pageantry? I think you need to venture out in different pageants that you belong. Because pageantry, it's similar to going to an office, or it's very similar to like finding the right company or brand for you. Because it has to align, and you as a person or the spokesperson should be the extension of the advocacy of the organization. If the organization does not fit your advocacy, does not fit your personality, then you should find a new platform. It's just me, you know. So let's not forget that she's also disliked when she won her national title. Who? Atiza? Is it Atisa that we're talking about? Me remember na nagka-issue si Panawa at Mexico pero siya pa rin nanalo. Exactly. I understand. That's why. This is what I'm talking about. It's like, do we need to like see drama until the very end just to see this kinds of people put in power, or like these people actually it's the people who's giving them power, because we're so fandomizing and so hyping this platform. And it's not giving the right, it's not giving the real winner or the candidates a chance to actually win because of their work. Are we giving them work, or are we giving them we're just giving them money, effort, time? We're fandomizing it too much. I don't know what's happening. If you noticed, yes, I was supporting this year's Miss Universe, but because of all the drama, I'm not super involved anymore, even though I'm in the pageant scene. Why? Because I know how it is, how organizations are. Diba? I know how it is internally because I've been there. And I have a reason why I was competing. Diba? You were asking me for a long time, why are you trans? Why are you competing? Because I have a voice, because I wanted to do something bigger. And if I'm not allowed to do that anymore, why push in this narrow-minded pathway? You know what I mean? So I don't think they're giving the girls the equal opportunity. F that inclusivity shit. I mean, you know what I mean? I'm just speaking my truth, and this is the truth. And you see what's happening. You see what happened many times. Who deserves and who has the voice, who was really fighting for whatever they want to fight for. They got the right opportunity, equal opportunity. Nar, darling, nar. So, now you understand my point. Yes. They don't deserve it, right? I know it. They don't deserve it. I am all for you guys. I believe this is the truth. It is not the right thing that's happening right now. It is unfair. It's true. I will give that word already. It is unfair. Thoughts on this? Definitely. The right term for today is it's unfair. Because we've seen the performance. We've seen everything. It's unfair. Okay, let's say Universe Philippines is not the real winner. Who is the real winner? Comment down below. Who should really win? And why do you think? Diba? As people who watch the show, who do you think is the real winner? Comment down below. Caught. See, everybody is answering the truth. See? You know the truth. Very good. I love that. I love that you guys are saying the truth. Okay, some people are saying Philippines. Some saying Venezuela. I agree with you. That's why I created the TikTok. Check my TikTok. The 3, I was like, Canatanga. Why, girl? Or girl? That's the 3. Please, correct me if I'm wrong. Is it that the format was 30, 12, 5, 3? What happened to the 3? What happened to the 3? Comment down below. If I don't know if I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong. What happened to the 3? What is there a top 3? What happened to the Miss Reverse? Miss Universe. I love it. You guys are smart AF. Miss Universe, the best. They say it's not Miss Universe, it's Miss Universe. I love it. Reverse our results. I love it. Miss Universe. Hashtag Miss Universe. Guys, let's make a campaign. Miss Universe. Alam mo, gawa tayo ng TikTok, tapos baliktarin natin. Di ba yung may ganon, yung reverse, yung, oh, first runner-up si Philippines. Miss Universe, hashtag Miss Universe. Correct, di ba? Mexico. I love it. Oh my God, you guys are so funny. Miss World na talaga. Totoo naman. Okay, Universal Woman. Baka trip nyo naman tingin. Universal Woman. Universal Woman is fair AF. Universal Woman is fair AF. If you guys might not know, my placement there was, I am 5th runner-up. 4th, 5th runner-up, yeah. Super fair. Sa amin, super fair. Like you would see. My gosh, what the F happened? Ayun daw, wait nga, pabasa nga ako. Kaya daw walang top 3 kasi dalawa na dapat pinagbigyan pa. Pero ending sila yung napuksaan. Oo nga, ano ba? Di ba totoo? Ano ba? I-send nyo nga sa akin dito sa ano. Pa-send nga. Pa-check nga. Kung totoo, di ba sabi nila may top 3 daw after ng top 5? I was expecting that. Tapos parang another batch of questions. Kasi super dali ng questions sa top 5, die. Kahit mga kontesera kung saan kaya sagutin yun, ate ko. Ang dali nun. What can you offer? What can you offer? Oh, bebe. Look at me. If you were to become a Miss Universe, what can you offer in the platform?
Me? For the platform, not. I don't want to become a Miss Universe.
Because it's unfair. Sure? We said it. Brazil, you're alto kuya. Brazil, you're alto kuya. Top 3! Top 3! Top 3! Top 3! What happened to the top 3? Kung ako yan, hindi ako papaya. Mexico? Diba? Kung hindi nakapasok, mag-MM yan. Ikaw nanalo, so hindi ka mag-MM, diba? So, sino dapat mag-MM? Venezuela, halika na. MM. Hindi makalita si Mexico sa final question. True naman. Memorize, diba? Kaya binigay na naman yung mga tanong, ha? Huwag na kayong kaya ayoko na talaga. No. Headshot ko yun. Charis. Buisit talaga, diba? Bakit walang top 3? Ulit dapat. Brazil instead of Mexico. Oh, Brazil daw! Brazil more than Mexico. Bebe, Brazil daw more than Mexico dapat inside.
Yeah, good job, Brazil. Vamos.
Borachu. May issue kasi sinawat kay Mexico, so peace offering. But is that what pageantry is about? Is that what pageantry is about? Peace offerings? Isn't it an equal opportunity for the candidates themselves, not the organization? How dare you, organization? Oo nga, dry run lang. What the hell? Me, do you consider having kids in the future? If this is the environment that my children will have, no. I'll end my line with me. Charas. Why is this the future in the environment and the government? Charot, di naman pala government. The future of the beauty queens? I don't think I want that future. I don't think I want kids if this is what's happening. Do I need to be like a multi-billionaire just for my children to have a crown? No. Now, let's check on that later. Hindi kayang pakalmahin ang video ni Catriona na ang inis ko. Diba? Yung ano nila, sa Sultan Kudarat. Wabuhay, Sultan Kudarat! Welcome! Ganun si Badingday. Sultan Kudarat. We are gathered here in Sultan Kudarat with our winner, our Miss Grand 2024. And our Miss World 2024, Suchata Oppo. And then Suchata Oppo was like, I would like to call one of my best friends. My best friend. Ay, naging country. Naging Texas. Ibang crap ang Miss Hugo. Why not, diba? Charis. So, tinatanong niyo ako, jojoin pa ba ako, Miss Yo? Ano mangyayari? Jojoin ako? Siyempre, hindi. Kiatay. Wag ako sa'yo ng oras. Piste.